So that is us today. Okay, this was like, what time is now? So now it's almost 8. We started,
10:30.
yeah. So it's like 8 hours, 9. It's been a while. I started somewhere here, started there, and I probably need to zoom in for you guys to actually see what I've done. So nice katana and then hands. Then I went up to here. Then went to the castle. Well, it's a temple actually. Then and then we did the body, which also consists of loads of little details. And then we slowly moved there, and then gradually went from front to back. I kind of mostly do that because it's like that's like the easy one to do, and that's hard to get. So hard to get. We always leave for the last because it's hard to get. And then in the future we're gonna do some more pink flowers and stuff. So majority of time what I used was 3 liner so I can get all the little fine details, small stuff. And a lot of times I use 9 liner so I can actually do the chunkiest, but like for example that is quite big and the black underneath the armor is quite, they're not really that small but not that big. But 9 was kind of a perfect needle that I could get into places. What else? Mostly 15 mag to shade all. I did a lot of shading actually with 9 as well to get like the mountainy, foggy feeling. And then when this heals, oh, this should be like a nice soft grey because it's like behind her. She will become stronger, so she's in front. All this will be more foggy, more blurred, and then lighter as well in the grey. So it will be more towards the reference. So you get like a blackish mountainy front and then foggy behind. So that's the aim. So it's more real. What else I need to mention? For black, I used the Endless Black. That one I've been using for like what 2-3 months now. So it's pretty Endless Black. Kind of the light adds a little bit of glare to it, but it's pretty black. Shading wise, more like Allegory. I use more like 17-50% and less lighter shades. Yeah. I use mostly that 15 mag sideways to color all these. It's kind of like repetitive shapes, so it's kind of like the same shape, you just have to repeat the same process. So I used a liner to color these in from side to side, and all these are pretty much the same shape that way, and then fingers are that way, and then all this is that way, and even her armor that goes on the stomach is that way, and then that way, and it's kind of long day doing same sorts of movements, and I try to keep all the details in as much as I possibly can. Then also to mention, there's not much we really need to know. I did use some round shader in places. I did use 5 and 9. Yeah. I think when we can add more stuff to it, you can see more. So when this heals, we're gonna see her again, and then we're gonna do the pink in little places on left for little cherry blossoms there and there, and goes there behind, and then the ones in the hair, and then you're gonna see how this is healed. You're gonna see the pink, and then I'll see where I need to push in some ink a little bit more to add more to it. It's been a long day. It's been a lot of suffering. And she watched anime the whole day.
I did.
Beautiful.
The first time.
First time explored. She was watching Solo Leveling, the one that's on my screen. I literally have that face there.
It's good.
So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video when this is healed.